So I'm here with Damien, and Damien is anxious to go and take the vaccine today. Damien, what's the reason for you to take the vaccine?
I really don't have a reason. I see everybody I take it, and so I just feel like I should have joined the pop team. You understand?
So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Hello, and welcome back to another exciting episode of Claudia's Corner. I'm your girl Claudia. So for today's video, as the title says, my experience taking the COVID-19 vaccine. Come along with me as I show you the process of getting vaccinated. Let's hold a chat also with some persons and hear their reasons for getting vaccinated. Remember now to like, share, and subscribe to Claudia's Corner. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when my new videos are released. So if you're planning to take the COVID-19 vaccine, here's a few things you need to know.
Alright, so guys, I am here. I'm at the National Arena and I am heading to get the first shot of my vaccine. And this is it. This is where I'm at. Alright, so pray for me that this vaccine that I'm going to get, that nothing don't happen to me. As persons have been talking and saying that there are different things and that some persons... Oh my gosh. That's my giant line. So this is where we're at now. I'm heading in. So this is the line and persons lining up to go and take the vaccine. Yeah.
So upon arrival, a form was given to us to fill out.
I filled this out online already, and I am told that I have to fill this form out again. I made sure that I fill out everything before I came here. So it don't make sense then that person's fill out form. I guess anybody can just come here and just join the line and fill out a form. So I was told that the system is down, so that's the reason why we have to fill out this manual form, which was filled out online already.
So know that we have a long wait ahead of us. Let's chat with some persons and hear their reasons for coming today to take the vaccine.
I really don't have a reason. I see everybody I take it, and so I just feel like I should have joined the pop team. You understand? That made it better. So that's how we towards the future with this. I see what.
Prevention better than cure.
That is true.
So we're almost inside. And what it looks like. Oh, sorry. Lend me a pen when you're finished. Oh wow. So this is the National Stadium that we're in. And oh wow. So I don't know where we're heading to. So fill out the form. And yep. And this is it. We're gonna be here all day today. Wow. And we are being directed by the soldiers to go and sit. And this is it. Wow. How they're gonna call us? It's gonna be in a sequence.
They're gonna come for a batch from up here, and we know who is sitting at another, so we're gonna send.
Okay. Also, don't start as it.
Yeah, people down there already.
Oh.
Everybody in here away. Yeah, so yeah,
Oh my God.
One.
We not leave out here for today. My God. Wow. Yeah. Oh. This one give it a friend. So this is it, guys. We're in the stadium as if we're here to watch a game or something. So I'm here waiting, and it's now after 10, and apparently everybody here has the same time. Everybody is waiting. So I don't know how long the waiting will be. I'm going to show you the crowd that is in here that is also waiting to take the vaccine. So everybody that you're seeing here now, they're all waiting to take the vaccine. And there is still a lot of empty seats that needs to be filled. Wow. So now there are some movements. I guess they're escorting some persons to go and take the vaccine. So everything was going good and organized, and then this happened. So there's an uproar in the stadium because the sequence that we're trying to go with, they're not going in that sequence. So the persons, those just come through. No. Yeah. So they're not going in the order that they're supposed to go in. And the people don't like it. So we've been sitting here waiting how long, and then all of a sudden, yeah, and then they move them and carry them out. Yeah.
Everybody, they only move one row. They only move one row, and then
they clear out, and yeah.
Yeah, so I but them in there long before we saw them. We don't know it better, but I'm saying.
Yeah.
Them did a long time ago when we came
Yeah,
in.
over there, so they had them.
When we came in, they were over here for the school. They only emptied that road.
Yeah, but that's what we're behaving like. Them not do it, no. Yeah.
After me, see nobody behave uncivilized. The people that talk about. People that talk about after them not behave uncivilized.
No.
People that riot and jump up on them, that's uncivilized behavior. But you can't tell people that not behave
And the people are, oh, or maybe them are police. You see them? So everybody start get up and join the line now. Oh boy. And it's starting. So we're at the National Stadium and then it's just getting out of control now because wanna go?
But I'm going to get up and go follow them.
This is the line, finally. We're up and about. Yep. And again, the thing is getting out of control again.
They're not controlling this either.
And this is the mood at the National Arena. I've been here from 10 o'clock, 10:30. Now it's 1 o'clock. And we're still here waiting. One person just come in and gone. So that man is just being broke out.
let's go before the kids.
Oh boy. Yep. So we're outside now. I'm just sitting down in there so for what, 3 hours? Oh yes. No, but maybe them have. So we're sitting here for over 3 hours or 2.5 hours basically. And now we're actually going into the section where we'll get the actual vaccine. Let's see where we're going. Oh wow. You have to sit down again. Watch here. So this is what the place looks like. Wow. Oh wow. So this is what it looks like. The vaccination room. There with their stuff. Alright, so I've reached this far now. I am in the section where I will be getting vaccinated, and as I said, the process took like what? 3 hours sitting and waiting in the arena. So then we're over by this section, so I'm waiting again before I can get my injection.
On the AstraZeneca vaccine.
Okay.
You saw the video and I also spoke to you.
Yeah.
So I'm just giving you, in addition, something that you can read to reinforce what was said.
Okay, thank you so much.
Near my heart.
There you go. Ah boy, don't cry now. See, that was so easy. Wow.
So now it's my time to get vaccinated. Pray for me.
You want me right back? Sorry, no, she said it was some excess pain. Just kids have pain
So there it was, so easy. Look, I took it just like a champ. So now, let's hear what some of the persons who just got vaccinated have to say.
Oh my my gosh. Right. So like how you just got vaccinated, how you feel?
I am going home to collect my money.
To collect your money? What that mean?
Yeah.
Oh!
So you came to be vaccinated off of it.
You're not easy. And you, sir, that's hiding. How you feel? How you feel? How you feel? You're in pain?
No.
Oh, you feel good? I took the vaccine and then this hand was what I got it on. I haven't even seen anything, and they said we're supposed to wait 15 minutes first before we can leave. So sitting 15 minutes to wait, and then we'll see.
Here are a few information you need to know after taking the COVID-19 vaccine. Remember now to seek medical attention if any of these side effects occur.
Congrats on getting the first dose of the vaccine. Second dose, the tentative date is the 30th of September.
Okay.
Keep the card safe, bring it back at the next visit. This is actually the 8th week mark, so that's the earliest day for the second dose, right?
Okay. Thank you so much.
Now they always say congratulations. Now they always say congratulations.
And look who I've seen here, a friend of the dance in the park. Yeah, Mr. Moses. How has it been for you today?
It's been good.
All right, a lot of turnouts
Yes.
and a lot of jokes, injections.
Yes, and congratulations on getting vaccinated.
Thank you so much. It didn't hurt.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. All right. All right, guys. So I'm leaving now. I just got vaccinated, and now it's after 2, and wow, people are still here trying to get their COVID vaccine, and I am leaving now. Where am I parked now? Where it is? Guys, I can't find my car. All right.
Here are some possible side effects after taking the COVID-19 vaccine AstraZeneca. Seek medical attention if after leaving the vaccination center, the following side effects occur. You feel faint or lightheaded, there are changes in your heartbeat, you develop shortness of breath, or you start to wheeze. There is swelling of your lips, face, or throat. You have hives or rash. There is prolonged vomiting, or you have developed stomach pain. Seek medical assistance immediately. So even though you saw that large gathering, there are still persons that were not able to be vaccinated. Let's hear what some of them have to say.
So you're not take your vaccine yet, but you're going to take it.
Yeah, but
Okay, so why are you going to take it?
why would I take it?
Yeah.
For sure, everybody take it and say good for you take.
So that's the reason?
Yeah, I say avoid from taking the corona.
Oh, so you don't want to catch COVID, all right.
You don't want it neither.
No, I'm just get my injection, so you know.
Well, I'm just coming off the work.
Yeah,
I stand up there now.
yeah.
So long.
Hello, you know what time of day here? From after 10.
Alright. Well,
Yep,
on
I'm
the
just
job
to get
that
through.
time- On the job that time, but everybody just wait till one night one catch. I didn't.
Oh, you, really? Can you just tell me why you took the vaccine?
Get back to normal.
True. So I'm leaving the stadium and the place is jam-packed just the same. Alright guys, so thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribing to Claudia's Corner. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when my new videos are released. Thank you for watching. Well, that's where I'm gonna
For more information about the COVID-19 vaccine, visit www.moh.gov.jm or contact 888-1-LOVE. That's 663-5683.